This video is going to be about these exterior clips, these Q hanger hooks that I purchased, which I use to install these lights that I really didn't want to be permanent. I want to be able to have the flexibility to remove the lights, add different ones, or simply just take these down, but leave them up permanently. And here's the part list. The clips were not too expensive, paid $10 for them, and then I just used a drill bit to drill the hole in the fence, as you will see in the next clip. With these clips, you're able to put in wires. I use these for lights to be able to take lights in and out that you're replacing. Exterior lights. Here you can see the light. As far as the fence goes, that's it. Easy trick to install lights. Really not too difficult. All I did was drill a hole, and then I put the hook in and just simply turn the hook, and that's it. Feel free to subscribe and click like to this video. And as you are sitting outside, perhaps you can see when your lights are flashing or they're on, giving you visibility, and now you can see in this particular direction. But for the most important part, you do have the ability to remove these lights if you want, which was the whole point of utilizing the clip. And then you can put something else in its place. That's it.